Mercedes-Benz CL500. Features AMG body styling pack and few other cool extras. I've bought this car like maybe a month ago. I've done some work in the meantime. It obviously had some issues like any Mercedes-Benz of that era, but you get all the fancy gizmos like heated seats, ventilated seats, multiple way axis, seat controls. You get two pretty nice and large LCD screens. One is your speedometer and all the computer, like onboard computer information. You can get navigation details as well, radio, and obviously rear view camera and some other interesting features. There's dual climate control, phone keypad, it's hidden here, actually made for the left-hand drive cars, and they just dropped it in the right-hand drive ones as well. There's massaging seats, bolsters actually inflate and deflate depending on the driving style and driving conditions. We're actually going to wash this car in Tala, so we'll have a very nice drive. And just pull out of the parking space. Miles per gallon is 23.1 for the past 925 miles, which is amazing for a 5.5 liter V8 car. It's one of the last naturally aspirated engines from Mercedes-Benz, so I think the output is 388 horsepower, a ton of torque obviously. It's a very lovely car. We will actually go to wash it, visit a friend, and he is actually the guy who maintains this Mercedes CL as well. It's actually the Dublin area. This entire development was built on a pre-existing golf course. The land was acquired a couple of years ago and they've started building these bollocks and ended up building these homes as well. Each home has a staggering price of 975,000 euros. They are 4-bedroom homes, 3-bathroom. I think it's ground floor, one extra floor and attic. I wonder how people can actually afford that price, as mortgages are not so easy to get, especially on normal income rate. Lovely weather today as well. My friend actually gave this car a good buff. Only one stage. We decided not to go for the 3-stage polishing as we consider that the lacquer is quite good and we didn't want to cut too much into it. You can easily see huge improvements. I think the car actually got back maybe 6 years of its age only through that quick buff. Probably we'll get to his shop in the next few days as well. Today is his birthday, so we won't disturb him. But he did a pretty good job on my father's car and one of my friend's cars as well. I recommend him to everybody who wants to just refresh the paint of their car. I was actually speaking earlier about fuel economy, and the thing to mention is that maybe 2 weeks ago me and some friends traveled to Dingle, and it was a weekend that we actually drove about 2,000 kilometers in this car. And we were actually staggered by the good fuel economy that this returned. 25.7, 26 miles per gallon combined, so urban and Norway. Speeds ranging between, I don't know, 120 kph to 140 kph on the motorway. A lot of overtaking on the windy roads in Dingle. We kind of pushed the car a bit, so I'm very happy with the fuel economy. It's surprising for a 5.5 liter V8 car. I've seen diesel cars, 2-liter diesel cars, putting figures close to this, so I'm over the moon. It's really good. The only downside is the road tax. It's about 2,000 euro per year if you pay in installments, like every 3 months. So that's a bit of a pain and a pity, because we would actually want to see more of these cars on the road. So that's the drawback for many people, but otherwise pretty good car. Okay, so it's now nice and clean, starts to dry up. It would be great if I would have some cloths or leather so I can dry it up. Unfortunately, I don't have that with me. It will be the sun who dries it up. We'll see after that how it actually looks. So it should be, yeah, pretty good. Probably it will have some watermarks, but we'll see. We are in Circle K Glenview. We usually wash our cars in Circle K on Blessington Road next to the DCLB estate, and it looks like the pressure of this is higher, so you can actually do a better job. And there's a bit of incline there, so the car will sit lower a bit than your standing position, so it's easier to wash the top of the car as well. So I would definitely recommend this one better than the Blessington Road one. More convenient, actually speaking. Yeah, but if you properly dry, look at the result.
It's not bad, no?
No, it's very, very good.